So hi guys, welcome to a new video of Tech and Engineering World by Jasing. So guys, today we will make an amplifier with the help of this power board. So guys, this power board I have taken for 50 to 60 rupees from the local market. So you can just go on the purchase shop, and here you can see this I have taken MP3 kit and one CPU fan. This is 12 volt CPU fan, but we will just work it with the 5 volts. So this I have taken some soldering iron, one socket in which we will just add the speaker wires. This is the socket. Then guys, I will just here you can see these two, and guys, wiring of this power board is on my channel only, so I'll just drop the link in the description. So I'm taking charger. You can take this single type also, or you can take the double type also. So I have taken double type one for the power. So here you can see my holder, and one I have taken one box here. This is the black box, I have painted it. So this is the cardboard box. Now we will just start the fitting of this whole material. So let's go guys for the fitting of my fan. So now with the help of pen I'll just mark and we will just cut it. And guys, one thing more, on which side the sticker is there, the sticker of the branding of the CPU fan is there. That side will be on the upper side, because the back side of the CPU fan just takes the heat from the amplifier and passes the heat from the outside. So now guys, I have just taken the socket. Now we will just fit the socket also. So first of all, I'll just solder the wires to the socket so that it will be easy to just make the amplifier. So guys, if you like the content of my channel, so guys, please subscribe this channel, and as this type of videos will come on my channel, and please subscribe this channel. So my videos are uploaded after one or the another day on this channel. So now I'll just cut it for the socket, for the speaker socket. Now we'll just cut it. So now guys, here you can see our socket is fit inside the box. Now with the help of Fevikwik also, I'll just take or fix it properly so that it could be very tight. So here is guys our on off switch. Now I've just soldered the wires of my switch, and I'll just put the switch inside the box. Now guys, in the front I will just mark as my MP3 kit, and I'll just cut the box. So here you can see guys, my MP3 kit is almost fit inside the box. Now with the help of screw bolts, I'll just fit it inside. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. So guys, the wiring of this board I'll just do, but it's already on my channel. I'll just drop the link in the description of this wiring. And guys, as I have said that my video of this wiring is already on my channel, so I'll just fast forward this. So here you can see guys, two data ticket cables I have just taken, one for our MP3 kit. So we will just join this on the MP3 kit. So I am just doing it fastly only. So one I have joined on my this power board, which will get the power. It is 5 volt only, so it just takes 5 volt power, and MP3 kit also takes 5 volt power. So guys, as I have taken 3 chargers, so one for the MP3 kit, one side for the power board, and one side for the for the CPU fan. Now guys, from the AC power supply for the two chargers we will give. So I'll just show you that how to connect two charger at once. So here you can see the center. On the one terminal of the one charger and the second terminal of the second charger, we have to join the one wire, and the AC power cable, guys, will be joined on the other two terminals which are remaining. So guys, like the output from the board which will get the input will be from the USB kit. So my the connector I have joined in my wiring only. So, and guys, one for the power and two for the speaker we have already joined in the socket. So I'll just with the help of tape I'll just join them. So now guys, with the help of double-sided tape I will just paste it the supply inside the box. So guys, this supply I have made with two chargers, as I have shown you that how to add AC cable to this also. So now I am making the hole in the box for the AC cable, from which the AC cable will go out. So guys, as we know, we have used two chargers, so which we are having now three female USB pins. So I have attached the three USB cables to my CPU fan, my MP3 kit and my power board also. So I have just joined my that, and guys, now the connector of the USB kit, that is the MP3 kit, so will go to the MP3 kit, and now I'll just give the power to. Here you can see. So now I'll just show you the working of this and the testing of my amplifier which I have made in this video. So first of all guys, we will just do the testing with the help of this. This is the 3-inch speaker. We will just test it first.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
You guys know it's done. So now I'll just on it.
Bluetooth mode.
So now I'll just connect it with my tab.
Paired.
So guys, it's paired now. Now I'll just show you a song.
अगला एक लाइन तो गाना ओए बेस्टी
Now guys, I'll just remove the speaker. So here you can see guys, our CPU fan is also working too good, and it's just heating up the IC. It's just protecting the IC from heating. So now guys, this was our 3-inch speaker. Then I'll just connect here. Now I'll just connect here our this 8-inch speaker. So now I'll just take my 8-inch. So here you can see guys, this is my 8-inch speaker. Now I'll just connect it here. So now guys, here you can see my this is connected. Now 8-inch is connected. Now I'll just on it again. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you liked my this amplifier which is containing the CPU fan with it, so here you can see it's having CPU fan also. So guys, if you like this amplifier, so please guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Next video soon.